very good, but the problem is to do today and now, in this moment. And I think we are prepared for this. We are prepared for this, okay? And we have no excuse. No excuse, okay? It's no excuse. And in my life, one of my rules is no excuse. Because they say, no, because I have an injury, I tell the referees, I this or this, but the people don't know these things. All you know is you win or you don't win. Yes or not? Yes or not? But this is the moment to win.
Damos la bienvenida a nuestro nuevo entrenador, Luis Gil.
Always Serbian money. Always Serbian players money. It's the same.
Come on, let's see.
Oh,
Happy birthday, Pep.
thank you for the present.